got the offcut of that. So I'll put a square line on here. Cut that off with jigsaw. Right, it's broken out a bit, but I'm not bothered because it's going to get rounded eventually. Double-sided tape again. Stick that on. Sticks better if you put some pressure on it, so I'm just going to stick it in the vise for now while I set up the router. So that's just sitting in there for a minute. It's got a bearing on the bottom. Cuts that way, so going this way on the grain should be fine, but when it comes to here it'll start trying to chip it out, so I'm just going to take this little corner out first, then work my way up. Right, this is the closest cutter I've got. I think it's about 15mm diameter. This is 32, so I'll have a small flat on the front, but I can sand it round. Not really round enough for me, is that? I'm going to give this one a go. It's a lot better round, but it leaves a little step because the bearing's too high. I think I'm just going to go with that and see if I can sand it out. I do have this thing, sits on top of that, and then you follow this point instead of the bearing, but I don't think that'll make any difference. It'll still be too high. So, I'm just going to go for it. Sand it round now. Right, I've cleaned that up a bit. So that's the front. But I know that it steps into the new 15mm. So I'm going to risk it and chop this off. 15mm. And then I'll have to cut this front to suit where it's meeting the step. There you go. Now I've just got to clean this up. I squirted loads of glue inside. It's stiff now. I just need to clean the top of this up and that. Right, I was being a bit lazy, so I just ran the jigsaw around. It's broken the veneer off the face, but it doesn't matter. That'll be below the tiles. That'll be below the tyres. Sanded that. You see how thin the paper veneer is. And that way around, be sitting on top like that. Take it to job. See, that's what I cut off. This stuff's like rubber. Didn't want to sand off. I need to cut this little lip in the front here. And then chop this to suit that. But it's not bad. Right, that's in. It's not bad that. It's going to get painted, so I'll fill and sand. I had to put a couple of little packers on this side just to pull it up. And I've cut this. That's not bad. Across here, I'm going to put a couple of dominoes. I can only get one there and there. Something like that. I'm going to put it on this loose setting so that I've got a bit of wiggle room. Set the depth to 15, which is pretty much half this. Temporary tenons, temporary dominoes. Just like that.
Was it all started weight?
Yeah, I want to get this on thanks.
Oh God, is it? Golly gosh, it's amazing.
Yeah, I've got to sand it, bit of filler and paint it.